Morning, or is it afternoon? Afternoon, I think. Is it afternoon? Enjoy your day. Right, and we're off. In memory of Skate Raw Airfield. Wow, I've never heard of that before. If that's what that is. Anyway. I've put my hood up to stop my hat moving, but I don't know if that's such a good idea. My limit, it's blowing it out of my eyes. Oh dearie dear Donald. There, that's better. Join me your link. There we go. My goodness, that wind. Well, I've walked about, I don't know, quarter of a mile, more, half a mile maybe, and I haven't been recording. I've been wittering away to the camera. The Bass Rock, Barnes Nest Lighthouse. I can even see North Berwick Law on the horizon. And there's a boat there. Must be a rescue boat or something. So you know, there's a wee red light on the back of the camera. Seating. Keep the upper walkway and start moving. I'll tell you what, we'll just have a quick look up there just to see what's up there. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it's just, oh, there's a bench there. Oh man, I love the wee sunny bit. What views, man. Oh yeah, I can see what he meant. That walkway goes right round there. So it must be a 1.6 mile. That's what it says in my book anyway. I thought it ended here, but it goes right round the coast. And then we come to Thornton Loch. Get the fancy concrete blocks. I think I read it's to block out the waves, disrupt the waves, and to stop it causing damage. Breaks it up. What strange things, eh? They must weigh tons each. My goodness, it's like a work of art, an installation, eh? Lifeboat. Wow. I wonder if I should walk the upper walkway. Yeah, I think I will. Better views. There we go. There we go, I'm saying there we go again. Boundary of nuclear licence site. Wow. Got a dramatic coastline up ahead of the cliffs. Beautiful, man. I think I have to walk past round that. My goodness. The you can see the Bass Rock and Barnes Nest Lighthouse still. That's Fife on the other side. Anstruther, St Monans, and up round the corners St Andrews and Crail. I got a wee booklet, the same as the East Lothian walks, the pocket guides, but it's Fife, the Fife coast, and so I intend to do them at some point. There's the lower walkway there. I'm going to go back to the lower walkway because due to that wind. I'm not a fan of the wind. Quite like its effects on the sea and things like that. It can be dramatic, but to actually be in it, it's horrendous. Not very scenic this bit, is it? You can watch me for a while with my heart. You can watch my heart moving about the place. Welcome to all my new viewers, by the way. I set up my Breakfast with Donald Facebook page this morning, so I'm hoping that'll bring a few punters in. Not punters, viewers. Just, you don't have to watch every day. Yes, you do. You don't have to watch it as soon as I post it. Yes, you do. You don't have to comment. You don't have to like it. You definitely do have to do that. I'm going to have to start bringing more than 2 hankies. This is my second one, and it's soaking wet. I just have to start using my sleeve. Green sleeves. It's great being out of that wind, man. This will be a lovely walk in the summer. Well, it's a lovely walk in the winter. At least it's not raining. Not like yesterday. Oh man, that was horrendous. I'm not really sure if I do have to walk around that headland. I've got a feeling that I do. Oh my goodness. I may have bitten off more than I could chew. I'm not the fastest walker in the world. My step is only, I think the default in my app was something like 2.5 feet. No. My pace, my step is 6 inches. Information and seating. Danger. Danger Island. Danger, no swimming, very strong currents. Danger, deep water. A thing. What do you call it? A life belt. What do you call it? No swimming. Oh, there's somebody doing the rocks there. A fisherman, maybe. It is. A fisherman. that. There's a wee doggy going walkies. Afternoon, lovely day, yeah?
It is.
Aye. Where's the path? It's a good question. Upper walkway, lower walkway, keep to the walkways. I think I'll go this path. There's no signposts or anything. It's still the John Muir Trail, but I've not done much deviation from the path today, or the trail. This could be my first mistake. We'll soon find out. We'll have to backtrack a mile or 2 miles or something. Yeah, this is just onto the beach. Not a very wide beach. I'm hoping the tide's still going out. No, it looks like it's coming in. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Well, these shoes are supposedly waterproof. Oh, here's a big one coming. Get my surfboard out. There's caravans there. Beautiful. The pebbles. Staggering about the place. There's Thornton Loch Caravan Park. Some of those are permanent dwellings, like a trailer park. During high tide only, when the beach may be blocked, members of the public following the John Muir Way are permitted access through the caravan park. Thornton Loch Caravan Park. Right, how do we get across this water? Look for a crossing. Ta-da! I wonder if beech trees grow on the sand. Oh, a muddy track. No encountered much mud today. So I did follow the right path there, I'm glad of that.